today I'm doing this zoom out transition, super simple to create, so here we go. First I'm going to go at the start of the second video and duplicate it. Then I'm going to add a frame hold and drag it above the first clip. Now I'm creating a mask inside the watch, like that. Increase the feather and click on inverted. And I'm just going to adjust the edges so it actually looks good. Alright, now I'll nest it and apply transform. And before I make any changes with the effect, I'll just go in the middle, move 10 frames to the left and trim the frame hold. Okay, so all I'm going to do is keyframe position and scale at the end, then go back to the start and increase the scale until I can't see the frame hold anymore. And I'm just going to increase the shutter angle to 180. Now I'm going to double click on the nest sequence and copy the frame hold, paste it, and this time uncheck inverted. And I'll just switch it so it's below the nest sequence. Trim it right in the middle so that the first frame hold is 10 frames and the second one is 5 frames long. Nest it as well and apply transform. Keyframe scale, position and rotation at the end. Then I'll go back to the start, make a rotation, increase the scale and move the position until it's out of the screen. And of course, increase the shutter angle. And that's it, that's the tutorial, simple as that. Now, if you're like me and you like investing in your skills and your work in general, you should check out my editing pack, Picture Collage Effects. It's a set of 12 templates, 6 horizontal and 6 vertical, available in both short and longer versions. Plus, it comes both in 4K and HD resolutions and is fully customizable from images, film frames, tapes, textures, and sound design. And it works with Premiere Pro and After Effects 2021 Plus versions. If you want to get a Picture Collage Effects, I'll have it linked down below. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. As always, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next week.